In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contact forms on WordPress.com. Adding a contact form is a simple and effective way to allow visitors to get in touch directly through your website. Whether you're running a blog, a small business, or a personal website, contact forms can be invaluable. So let's dive in. The first thing you want to do is navigate to WordPress.com. If you already have an account, simply log in. Just open your preferred browser and search for WordPress.com login and select the appropriate link to access the login page. Once you're there, enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll need to locate the Pages section on your dashboard. This is generally on the left side of the interface under the Site menu. Clicking on Pages will bring you to a list of all the pages currently on your website. In the Pages section, click on All Pages. This will display every page you have, giving you the opportunity to select where you want your contact form to appear. Simply identify the page you'd like to edit and click on Edit. This will take you to the WordPress editor where you can make changes. The next step involves adding the actual contact form. Look for a small plus icon, generally found at the top left of your editing screen or within the page content itself. Clicking this plus icon will allow you to explore WordPress's block options. In the search or input box that appears, type in Contact Form. This will bring up the specific block you're looking to add. Click on the Contact Form block and it will appear on your page. Now you have a basic contact form embedded right where you want it on your chosen page. Let's customize your contact form a bit. You'll notice fields like name, email, and a message area already present. You can click on each of these boxes to customize them according to your preferences or needs. Make sure the name and email fields adequately reflect the information you want to collect from users. Incorporating a message box is crucial, as it allows visitors to type in their specific comments, questions, or feedback. Ensure this section is hard to miss, and feel free to customize any text prompts to ensure clarity for your users. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and functions, click out of the edit mode and return to your page view. You'll notice a clear Contact button now lives on your page, encouraging visitors to engage with you. With these simple steps, your contact form is officially up and running on WordPress.com. This new addition can serve as a valuable communication bridge between you and your audience, helping streamline interactions and feedback. Enjoy the enhanced connectivity.